Legal gi Oiba reporting Touba Matamda PIRIBA order AMADI judgment adu KARINO HAIBA MAMUT TANA Neinaraba Matung Pao Oina Inaba Hotnagadabani HAINA Manipur High Court ke Chief Justice SIDDARTH MRIDUL na PHONGDORAKLI Wafam masing Manipur High Court AMADI Manipur State Legal Services Authority in Nasilaga Challenges in legal reporting and the role of media HAIBA hiramda pangthokpa interaction program amada phongdokibani Manipur High Court ke Judge launched sa pangthokpa interaction program adu kamari leinana Chief Justice SIDDARTH MRIDUL na hai ngasi pangthokliba interaction program se legal reporters singide yamna maru oiba mane Legal reporters sing Oiba interaction asina court ki Oiba Pao sing miyamda marik chumna khanganbada Touba Mating ama soina oigane court ki Oiba proceeding kaya gi matang daso khangba ngambada natana Pao Oina phongdokpa yaba amade yadaba kaya gi matang daso khangbada Touba Mating ama soidana oigane masina court ki Oiba Pao sing marik chumna report tawbada hena khudung chaba ama soidana pigane Legal reporting Touba haibase marik chumba wafam sing ningthina khanglaba matungda Pina Hotnagadabani Judge Singh dagi asengba report adu laudna miyamda marik chumba Pao Pina Hotnagadabani haina Chief Justice SIDDARTH MRIDUL na makatan phongdokhe
Comment on either the individuals involved in a list, the parties involved, or the judges themselves. The criticism has to be of the judgment and not the judge, is my belief. Having said that, I have briefly encapsulated the challenges in legal reporting. I once again welcome all of you here. Look forward to such meaningful symposia on the issue of legal reporting because I remember that there was a presidential reference, if I am not mistaken, or it was a suo motu proceeding taken up by a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court under Justice Kapadia, the Chief Justice as he then was, in relation to regulation of the media when it came to legal reporting. And I think they said that the best way forward is self-regulation. So I can't do any better than to underline that.
Manipur High Court ke Judge Justice A. Bimol, Justice A. Guneswar, Justice Gaipusilyu Golmay amadi Registrar General Ozes Mutum yauna pangthokiba interaction program adda resource person oina sarugyakiba Hindustan Times ke legal editor Utkras Anand Nahai, journalist singda legal gi Oiba Pao report tawnaba honabada legal procedure gi matangda ningthina khangnaba honagadabani court manungi Oiba function singi matangda yamna mamut TANA khangnaba hotnabaga loinana ahanbada marik chumba report ama lownaba hotnagane Judge Singh na PIRIBA judgment order amadi observation kaya gi matangda ningthina khangba haibase yamna mathau tai legal reporting haibase reporter singda achauba singnaba amane court ta lakpa tongan ba case sing reporting tawjingai mamangda munna neinaduna miyamda araiba mongda khanghangadabani haina mahakna makatangna phongdokhe
Between that, you have to understand that it's the investigation that's happening. A charge sheet is the final report presented by the police upon completion of a probe. After the charge sheet, the next stage of a trial would be the framing of charges. All those charges will be put up to the accused. We'll ask whether the accused pleads guilty or not, and then the charges will be framed. That each of these stages, and after the charges are framed, the trial actually begins. That is the stage when the trial begins. So when we report a criminal trial, soon after an accused is arrested, we cannot say that that accused is going to be tried unless the charges are framed and the court is prima facie convinced of those charges.